want you to take this part and turn it into that part. So that looks like it's something called completing the square.
That looks much better, Miss Pham.
I can read.
So the way that I show you in class, so let me remind you what to do with the completing the square. Okay, so completing the square is what we're going to do. Well, number one, we're going to have to take out all the coefficient in front of x squared. So it looks like we're going to take out the 2. And we're going to break it off. But see this 9 here, we don't want to do anything to it. So it's going to add 9 to the end. I want to extract out all the x inside. So when we take this 2 out of that group, so it'll be x squared plus 8x. And then to complete the square, we wanted to add in a number, a special number. But the rule is whatever you add in, you must subtract in order to make it equal. So, and since this is a 2, when you minus, make sure you multiply 2 to it. So whatever the number you fill in here, it has to be done on that side too. All right, so far okay? Mm-hmm. To get this number in here is b divided by 2. That's a technical term. But what you want is the number in front of x, the coefficient. Take a divided by 2, so that's 4.
4 times square root.
And then we squared it,
16?
and that makes that in here is 16. So technically, you're not adding 16 because 2 times 16, so therefore that's why that 2 is there in the first place. So it's 16. Now we just need to write down the answer. The 2 is already there. X squared plus 8x plus 16, if you factor it out, it's actually x plus 4. And if you remember in class, that number right there, you can always drop it right in. Put a square on top of it, and then simplify this group. So 9 minus 32. So 32 minus 9, what's that?
3.
Negative 23. And so it looks like we do find ourselves an answer up there somewhere there.
C.
All right, so C is going to be all completing the square of y, and it does look like that form at the end. So good job.